Hey everybody, what's going on? It's the Broke Genius and welcome back. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the video. Welcome back to part 3 of my huge sneaker open box / review. If you haven't watched part 1 and 2, I definitely suggest you go ahead and do so. To give you a quick recap, here's what's going on. So these are some sneakers that I bought last year. I did not get a chance for me to do any open box or review on them, so I've decided to stack everything up together next to me, and I was randomly picking sneakers to open and did some open box review on them. So far we have the Nike Dunk High Up Iron Purple. We have the Nike Patas Aqua. We have the Sakai Wave Orange. We have the Alexander McQueen, and we have the Nike Mids College Gray, and we have the Lightning 4s. 2 out of those were given to me, and the rest I won in the sneaker app. The Rifle Orange Sakai's was gifted to me. The Alexander McQueen was gifted to me, and everything else I basically bought. And we have about 1, 2, and 3, 4 more boxes left for part 4. We're gonna finish it off with part 4 with the rest of the 4 more boxes. I'm gonna choose that one. You know what? We've been skipping this for a minute. It's been a while. We've been skipping you, man. Let's just go ahead and take this one. I'm not sure. I don't remember what they are. Oh, okay. So these are the ACG's Air Mobs. Wow. It's been a minute. I copped these a while ago on the sneaker app. I am now finally opening them. Alright, so we have the ACGs. That's going to be the first pair for the part 3 of this open box. Regular brown ACG box. All condition gear, designed, tested, and made on planet Earth for outdoor use. That's what's written on the box right here. Once you open the box, you got the paper, and then you got the ACGs. Alright, so this is the Nike ACG Moab Twine colorway. The original ACG came out back in 1991. ACGs are an offspring of the Huaraches, if you are familiar with the whole Huaraches. Alright, so you got this kind of mustard buttery material right here. I'm not sure if this is nubuck, but it feels very nice and smooth right here. And in the back, you know, it has this rubber right here on the heel, and it says Nike Air on the back to the heel. And of course you got the Huarache logos right here on the upper tongue. Then to the front you got a small swoosh right here. This is definitely an iconic sneaker. Original one, like I said, came out in 1991. Then the retro, the last retro that came out, I believe was in 2015, and they brought them back again last year, 2021. So it was really dope for me to cop these. I wanted the other colorways. Unfortunately, I was only able to hit on this one on the sneaker app, so I am not mad. ACG Mobs, it's an outdoor shoe compared to the Huaraches. Real dope shoe. 3 more sneakers left. Alright, so big box. Alright, so we have a Nike box. Man, I am ecstatic. So these are the Nike Air Jordan Retro High OG Bordeaux. Man, I'm not gonna lie. My trash ass sneaker collection from 2 years ago and now is definitely coming along so much better. I went from not owning any high Jordan 1s to owning multiple pairs now. So this bottle right here is definitely, so once you open the box, you got your regular papers once you open the box, and once you flip the paper, and here's the beauty, the Nike High OG Bordeaux. Wow, man. Really nice. Really nice. Alright, so immediately I can tell this is some pretty good quality leather that's on this one compared to the Jordan Mid Cool Grays I did the review on earlier. You see instantly the difference of the leather. Like the leather for the mids is very okay, you know, but this, as you feel it, as you touch it, you feel the difference of the quality of the leather. It feels smooth but tough at the same time, but tough in a good way that's gonna definitely last long. So craftsmanship to me, from my personal experience of feeling it right now, craftsmanship is definitely well made. So I love this. All right, so let's get to the details of the shoe right now. So you got the outsole, the regular Jordan 1 outsoles in Bordeaux / burgundy, whatever you want to call it, color right here. And then on the center you'll have it, the Nike branding that's written Nike with the check. You have a very clean midsole in white, and the stitch is also in white as well. Alright, so once you come here, you got the front of the toe box right here that is also in the Bordeaux color. Check it out. Alright, and it also goes throughout. Then you got the top toe that is in clean and white top toe. Once you come to the side panel, you got the white again on the side panel right here. Then you got this silver metallic color swoosh, which is a very nice touch. Makes sense. I love it, you know. On the tongue, you got this silver metallic tongue. I like what they did with the tongue, how they have the borders with the Bordeaux maroon color on the border of the tongue, which is real dope. It comes with a pair of maroon laces, and also with an extra pair of white laces as well. I like both laces. Real dope sneakers, well made, very well made. The leather feels really nice. Feels great. I am extremely happy. I pay about $170 for those from the sneaker app. I was fortunate. I was able to cop them from the sneaker app. So sneaker app, sneaker gods, definitely much love to you guys, you know, for helping me build my collection. So I look forward to also copying some more Jordan 1s. So I'm extremely happy to add this to my collection. Like I said, my sneaker collection is not as trash as it used to be. I'm definitely building it one sneaker at a time. So adding these Bordeaux to it, it's a game changer for me. You understand? The last one. All right. Man, which one is this? Oh, we have another Sakai. Oh my God, that's another Sakai. We have another pair of Sakai. Alright, so we have orange box. I'm not sure which Sakais are these though, to be honest with you. Wait, I think those are the... Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Let's just open the box. We have the Midnight Spruce University Red. Check this out. Yep. Alright, so here's the shoe, man. I'm not gonna lie, I love them. I love the colorway. Love the colorway, man. This is I love the red with the creamish off-white laces. Just love the colorway. Let me bring it closer to give you guys a 360. This is a 360 of the shoe. Check it out. 360. Real dope. Very nice. Check out the outsole. Double swoosh on the side. And then this is the back, the heel. And then we turn all the way back. Very nice. Check out this green. Green, you see how all the color combination match? You got the red laces with the cream laces together, match very well. Nice combo. And then you got the green right here. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah, so I caught these on the sneaker app. I did try for all of them when they did drop on the sneaker app. Unfortunately, I was only able to hit on one. Listen, I was more than happy to get this one, so I am not complaining. And I'm very happy to add them to the collection. And the collection is not looking bad at all. Take a look at this. From where I started to where I am now, and that's just the beginning. I'm definitely not going to stop. So this is the last pair, and this one was also, I won this from the sneaker app as well. So we're gonna open the last box. All right. This is it. The Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Wow. Jordan 11 Cool Grays. Man, I tell you, man, I got lucky. I definitely want to thank the Sneaker God and Sneaker app for blessing me with these. Check this out. Let me tell you, the best was saved for last. Check this out. Come on, man. So not only this is my first pair, this is the first time I'm ever holding a Jordan 11. So let's check it out. You have the paper, and then you have the Cool Grays. Check them out. I'm not mad at all, man. Cool Grays. My first pair of Jordan 11s. First ever pairs. I was never a fan of Jordan 11, and now check me out. I'm holding one in my hand. It's a nice pair of shoe. I'm not gonna lie, man. It is a nice pair of shoe. I can understand why everybody was going crazy for them, but I've always hated that patent leather, especially in the original ones. Always hated the patent leather. I was never a fan. I used to look at people like, you going crazy for this? And then look at me now, years later. So very nice. Very nice. All right, so this is a 360 of the shoe. Check it out. 360. Nice pair of shoe. I am not mad at all. The retail for the Cool Grays were $225 with tax and shipping. Everything came up to $244. Retail price right now is about $350. Some people are asking about $400 for them. So I was very fortunate to hit retail for them. So I'm really pleased. Cool Grays. Very nice. I am very pleased to add them to the collection. Once again, thank you to the sneaker app for definitely helping me build my sneaker collection. This is the Broke Genius. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This is my new sneaker pickup to the collection. These are sneakers that I bought last year and did not get a chance for me to do any open box with them. So this is it. These are all the sneakers I was able to hit, and a couple of them was gifted. And building my sneaker collection one pair of sneakers at a time. Let me know what you think. It's the Broke Genius. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to click that notification bell. Please, thank you in advance. Smash the like button and do share. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Leave comments. Let me know what you think I should add to the collection. Alright, it's the Broke Genius, and I am signing out.